you are planning to buy goods to sell on December, this is the right time to do that. Like, this is the right time to buy your goods and sell in December. And why did I say that? It is because of the shopping timeline. Because right now, if you buy your goods from China, if you import your goods from China down to Nigeria, guys, it will take minimum of 2 to 3 months because you'll be using sea, right? You'll be using sea if you are buying a large quantity of products. So you'll be using sea to ship your goods, and sea shipping takes 2 to 3 months, guys. So between 2 to 3 months, we are now in the month of September, guys. So September, October, November. You will know that between now to November, guys, you are going to be getting your goods. So that is why I said this is the right time to buy your goods, guys, if you are really serious about making money in December. And another advantage of you buying your goods right now is price advantage. So if you buy your goods right now, guys, you are going to be having a discount, guys, because during the Q4, goods always get expensive. Like, prices skyrocket, guys, because people, all these supplier also, they are like people like us. They want to make more money, so they know that during this period, it is festive period. So a lot of people are going to be buying from them. So in this time, they tend to increase their prices, and you don't want that for your business, guys. You don't want to buy something high. So if you buy early, then you will be on the safer side. Because now, if you buy now, before the supplier started increasing their price, then you will have the enjoyment of discount price. Because in like a month or two now, you will see that all the price you are seeing now will be different. Because now they will have hike the price, because they also know that you guys want to buy from them. So that is another reason why you should buy now. And third reason also is that stock availability. So what did I mean by stock availability? So during December period, guys, all this November, December, October period, they have a lot of sales. Like, supplier do have a lot of sales, and having a lot of sales means that, like, low product. What do I mean by low product? Which means like the demand will be high. So the supply might not be able to meet the demand sometimes, not every time. Take note, sometimes. So this period, guys, like, some supplier might be sold out early, guys. So you might not be able to get exactly what you want on time. So all these things can cause delay for your business, and you don't want delay for your business, guys. So that is why I said stock availability. So some of these suppliers might have sold out so early, and they do go on break. They do go on break, guys. Like, Chinese festive period is not like us, guys. There are some Chinese holiday that it can go for like about 2 to 3 months. Don't worry, in my next video, I will make a video about Chinese holiday so that you can know all these Chinese holiday and have it in your head. So like I said, guys, all these people will go on holiday and spend time with their family. So when they're sold out, they might not try to restock again. And all these things might cause delay for you, because now you won't be able to get your goods. So these are the things you need to take note of. So like I said, guys, you need to buy your goods now if you are serious about selling in December. So that's just what I want to update you on about Chinese importation, guys. Like, there are a lot of things to know about this Chinese importation business. It's not just buying and selling. There are a lot of things that go on underground that you also need to educate yourself. Like, every day you need to update your knowledge about importation business so that you'll be on the safer side. So that will be all for our video, guys. If you find this video educative, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because we drop this type of video every single day, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.